Have you ever pondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize farming? In an era where agriculture remains a vital part of our livelihood, the need for innovation is paramount. Enter precision agriculture, an approach that uses technology to boost crop yields and efficiency. But what if we could push the boundaries even further? What if AI could take center stage in this tech-driven farming revolution? The possibilities are truly staggering. Let's delve deeper into how AI can take precision agriculture to new heights. Imagine a world where AI predicts the perfect time to plant seeds, the exact amount of water required, and the precise moment to harvest. This world isn't a distant dream. It's the awe-inspiring reality of artificial intelligence in agriculture today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that simulates human intelligence in machines. It's a broad concept, with applications ranging from autonomous cars to voice assistants. But today, we're focusing on its remarkable role in agriculture. Imagine you're a farmer in Iowa, working the land as generations have before. But unlike your ancestors, you have a secret weapon: AI. This technology can analyze vast amounts of data, from soil composition and weather patterns to pest populations and crop growth rates. Consider one season where unpredictable weather patterns posed a significant challenge. However, the AI was able to analyze past weather data, current conditions, and future forecasts. Based on this analysis, it predicted the perfect time to plant seeds to maximize yield. It advised on the exact amount of water needed, taking into account rainfall and evaporation rates. And when the crops were ripe, it determined the precise moment to harvest, ensuring peak freshness and quality. This is more than just a story. It's a testament to how AI can revolutionize farming. By harnessing the power of data and predictive analysis, AI can help farmers make more informed decisions, increase efficiency, and ultimately boost their yield. Indeed, AI has proven to be a game changer in precision agriculture. So you might be wondering, what does this mean for the future of agriculture? Well, the future is bright, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. The impact of AI on precision agriculture is profound and far-reaching. Imagine fields of crops, each plant individually monitored and cared for, not by human hands, but by AI systems. These systems can analyze a vast amount of data, from soil conditions to weather patterns, to make precise decisions that maximize crop yield and minimize waste. AI in precision agriculture is like having a dedicated scientist for each plant, working round the clock to ensure its health and growth. This could lead to a significant increase in yield, and in a world where the population is predicted to reach nearly 10 billion by the middle of this century, that's a game changer. But it's not just about increasing yield. AI also has the potential to make agriculture more sustainable. By using resources more efficiently, we can reduce the environmental impact of farming. This means less water wasted, fewer chemicals used, and healthier soil for future generations. However, as with any technology, there are challenges to overcome. The cost of implementing AI systems can be high, and there's a steep learning curve for those not familiar with the technology. But we've seen these barriers before with other technologies, and they've been overcome. As AI becomes more accessible and affordable, these challenges will diminish. Training is another hurdle. Farmers and agricultural workers will need to learn new skills to operate and maintain these systems. But again, this is not insurmountable. With the right investment in education and training, we can equip our farmers with the tools they need to harness the power of AI. Undeniably, the future of precision agriculture is intertwined with the advancements in AI. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, we can look forward to a future where farming is more productive, more sustainable, and more efficient than ever before. In conclusion, AI is not just a buzzword. It's a tool that could redefine the future of agriculture. We've explored how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing precision farming, making it more efficient, accurate, and sustainable. We've delved into a case study that demonstrated the practical applications and tangible benefits of AI in agriculture. From crop monitoring to predictive analytics, AI is proving to be an indispensable tool for modern farmers. We also ventured into the potential impact of AI on the future of agriculture. We're looking at a future where farming is data-driven, where decisions are based on accurate predictions, reducing waste and maximizing yield. But it's not just about increasing productivity. By making agriculture more efficient and less reliant on harmful chemicals, we're also contributing to environmental sustainability. As we embrace AI in agriculture, we are not just increasing productivity, we are paving the way for a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of AI in precision agriculture. We hope you're as excited as we are about the future. Please subscribe, give us a like, and join the discussion in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos.